So this is the hydraulic jack. It was leaking at the O-ring here. Um, so I took off this part here, and it's missing this bolt. But I'm just gonna use this for temporary another bolt. Um, and then you get yourself some rags. You gotta clean this area. For this hydraulic jack model, the O-ring is in here, so I took it out using a flathead. Um, and then this is the O-ring that came out, and you can see it's broken. So I went to a local hardware store and I tried to match it as best as possible, so hopefully this is the right one. The new O-ring size was industry number 119. I also used some Jasco prep and primer. There's some rust spots, so I painted it, and then with this primer just brushed it on, painted it, let it sit for a day, and then I'm gonna maybe spray paint it. So I'm gonna try and insert the new O-ring. Just try and stick it in there. This is probably the hardest part. Just gotta, don't want to lose it, but oh, that bottom, this part went inside already, so now I'm gonna just try and lift up the other side. I feel it coming up. Now you work your way around. Hopefully this works. It's not sitting right. Oh, there. I think it's in. Okay. I think it's sat in the groove. There's a groove that it sits in. Maybe a 1/4 inch down from the top. Some other models have the O-ring here, which would be easier to change, but this one is it's a different type. And then this little rubber, you take this out to fill to fill more hydraulic fluid in here. So I'm gonna just put this back in. Hopefully, maybe put some oil. It seems kind of tight, but I guess that's the new O-ring. Put this temporary bolt in here. So it was leaking all over here when I used to pump it, jack it up. Now let's see if I jack it. Make sure this is tight. That's to release the jack. Seems to looks pretty good. It's not leaking. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe.